Hey guys, this is Liesl from AMALYZE, and this is part 2 from our Listing Builder series. Today we'll be talking about how to create and edit your content for your product listings, so let's get right to it. First, let's open our new project to start editing it. By clicking on the project, you'll see 3 sections: Content, Attributes, and History. In the Content section, you can write your title, the bullet points, the description, and the search terms. If your project was created with a filled-in inventory file, all the matching fields will be populated with the values you provided. If you uploaded an empty inventory file, all fields will be empty. In the left section, nothing will be included if you haven't started editing the available keywords of your project while creating it. To edit this section, just go over here or click the green Edit Available Keywords button. Now you can enter your keywords from a list, from your search term report, or from any other existing list. Then click the Apply button and you'll see your keyword phrases over here, and they've already been split up into single words. If you'd like to focus on specific keywords and on more efficiency, you can adjust the efficiency settings over here. While changing them, you'll see that the displayed keywords will change as well. In this case, we'll be shown less keywords. For each keyword, our tooltips will also show you some helpful information. Per default, tooltips will be deactivated. You can manage your tooltip settings by clicking on the 3-dot icon on the left, then going to Settings and either checking or unchecking the box next to Show Extended Tooltip. You can also add keywords from a list. Just go to Available Keywords and Add from List, and you can choose a recently used list. Or you can choose the Explorer, then go to Inventory File and choose a project there. The lists you're seeing here in our example were created in a prior tutorial and were filled in with relevant keywords. In our example, we'll be selecting the KW garbage can list. Now you can see the updated keywords. Since trash can is available in our keywords and is already being used in our title, it'll be crossed out in the available keywords list. Now let's use another list. Go to Add from List, then Explorer, Inventory File, and choose another list. Our available keywords have been updated with those on our list. Now you can start writing your content, or you can sort your keywords first. The button Search Volume will let you switch between search volume, frequency, and buying power. You can also see how the changes you make to your content affect the overall quality of your listing in regards to overall search volume, keyword frequency, or buying power. But what does it mean? Well, the search volume sorts the available keywords by their absolute search volume. Search volume efficient sorts the available keywords according to their efficiency in relation to the search volume. For frequency and buying power, you can check out the tooltips next to the corresponding words. And then search volume absolute is more focused on single words, while search volume efficient is more focused on complete phrases. While using the efficiency, you'll focus on search terms whose usage will lead to the goal we define the fastest. When using the search term desk trash can, not only do we cover the search term desk trash can, which provides a search volume of 5,103, but also trash, providing a search volume of 5,436, can, providing a search volume of 15,106, as well as desk, providing a search volume of 691,471. So when using the search term desk trash can, which uses only 14 characters in our title, those 4 search volumes add up to a total of 717,116, which makes the usage of desk trash can the most efficient, as we gain the maximum number of search volume while using the lowest number of characters. In our example, we'll be using buying power efficient. Let's begin writing the content. By typing one letter at a time, you'll be able to see some auto-suggests. If you'd like to use any, just click on them and they'll be applied to your content. Auto-suggest will be used entirely, then crossed out on the left. If you'd like to use separate words like office or for under the desk, you can just type it out and it'll also be applied to your content on the right side. And the used keywords will be crossed out in your available keyword section on the left. You can also exclude search terms if they must or should not be used in your content. Just click on the X on one of your keywords or keyword phrases. Then click on excluded terms and your keyword will show up in the list. You can also add them from a list. We'll be using the list brands to avoid using foreign brand names by accident in our listing. As you can see, we've already prepared a list of brands. The idea behind it is if you're using a keyword which has been added to the excluded terms, you'll get a warning if it's used anywhere in your content. If you're not sure where the keyword was used, it'll be highlighted in red and you'll see an exclamation mark on the content section it can be found in, and you can directly erase it from your project. Last but not least, there's a list of restricted keywords which is offered by Amazon for each marketplace and must not be used in the listing's title. We've included all of these restricted keywords and they work the same way as shown before. For example, let's use 100% ultra soft. Now you can see it's a restricted word from the list because it's highlighted in orange. You can use the same procedure for bullet points, description, and search terms, but as the restricted words provided by Amazon only apply to the title, the restricted words are empty. By clicking on the three-dot icon next to the input field, you can use the autofill input. You can set the maximum characters and bytes or reset your input. The autofill function will take the list of the remaining and not yet used available keywords and fill it to the maximum given limit. Now if we look at the listings quality widgets, search volume, frequency, and buying power of this content, we can see that the search volume is over 51%, the frequency is 15%, and the buying power is nearly 70%, which means our current listing is covering 50% of the total search volume achievable when using all provided keywords. And if we erase our content, the numbers will go back to the previous status from before we started writing our content. If you're happy with your newly written content, save your project and you're done. Just don't forget to export it and upload to Amazon as shown in our previous tutorial. And that's it for our tutorial on how to write and edit your content for your listings. Don't forget to watch part 1 of our Listing Builder Tool series. And remember, your content is very important and your product listings need to be on point to increase your sales on Amazon. Otherwise, you may lose an important sale due to the customer not being able to find your product on Amazon because of your low visibility. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy analyzing.